On June 27, 1992, this video was filmed in the small town of Fritch, Texas, where several tornadoes touched down in the space of an hour, the most powerful of which was an F4 tornado that was nearly a mile wide. As the largest tornado begins to bear down on his street, the cameraman is apparently knocked over or knocked out by debris, or otherwise rid of his camera, while the tornado lays waste to the town around him. After several minutes, the cameraman regains his bearings and witnesses the wreckage of the neighborhood that he once called home, including serious damage to his own trailer. Although no deaths were reported, the damage was catastrophic for such a small community to endure. More than 300 buildings were damaged or destroyed by the multiple vortex tornado. Over the years, Canadian County, Oklahoma, has been the site of some of the largest and most powerful tornadoes in American history, including the several severe tornadoes that touched down near the community of El Reno. This video shows a county storm spotter's close encounter with the May 2011 El Reno tornado near the small community of Calumet, less than a dozen miles to the northwest. The rain wrapping the EF5 tornado and the twister's sudden change of direction caught the spotter by surprise, forcing him to ride out the storm laying face down in the front seat as the outer winds of the tornado wreaked havoc on his vehicle and everything around it. The car in front of the cameraman's own vehicle was pushed across the road from one ditch into the other, and his own car was totaled. But thankfully, the spotter himself was spared. The occupants of the other car, just ahead of the spotter's vehicle, survived with minor injuries. Only a quarter-mile to the north, the mile-wide funnel killed 2 people in their cars, showing just how close this storm spotter came to an early death. In fact, the car carrying the 2 deceased motorists passed by the recording vehicle only 26 seconds into the footage. A total of 9 people lost their lives to this whirlwind, whose winds reached top speeds of 135 meters per second. If the state of Oklahoma is the tornado mecca of the world, as it has sometimes been called, the town of Harvest, Alabama, is a close contender. The small town, located in Alabama's Madison County, has been struck by tornadoes rated EF3 or higher 5 times in as many decades. First during the 1974 super outbreak, when 2 F5 tornadoes struck the town in 1 hour, followed by severe tornadoes in 1995, 2011, and 2012. This video shows the tornado from the 2011 super outbreak, when an EF4 tornado swallowed numerous homes in and around Harvest. At the time this video was recorded, the tornado was switching rapidly between EF3 and EF4 strength, and the view is rather like staring into the gaping mouth of a colossal monster about to swallow its prey. For about a minute, it is difficult to spot the tornado amidst the darkened skies, until a region of even greater darkness and an increasingly loud roar moves ever closer to those recording the video. At this point, they realize to their horror that they have been staring at the tornado itself the entire time.
I think that's going to be rain.
The clouds. They're just sucking up.
Think we're going to be able to see that on a video?
Do you think that's it? Like right there where it's...
It's darker than everywhere else?
Yeah.
That's it.
Look over here. Look at the clouds going like in a circle. And like right there.
Let's make sure. Here we go. Here. There it is.
That is it! I understand why the storm chasers just can't leave. Okay.
I think we're fixing to go somewhere. I don't know where the hell we're going.
Go here in a second. Oh, look at that! Look at that! It's getting stuff.
Yeah.
It's getting stuff.
Open the door. It's fixing to hit right on top of us. That's the tornado. We're on it. It's on it. It's right there. Oh my God, who's that S5?
I don't know. Look, it's right there.
Man, I hope he is okay.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh shit. There it goes.
Yeah. It's right there. The tornado is right there.
Get him.
This twister also eviscerated the communities of Hackleburg and Phil Campbell, Alabama, and many towns in between, leaving 72 people dead behind it. In and around Harvest, many areas that had been devastated during the tornadoes of 1974 and 1995 were devastated all over again. The massive size, utterly malevolent appearance, and sudden emergence of the Harvest tornado highlight the importance of taking shelter for the duration of a tornado warning, rather than waiting to see or hear the whirlwind itself. One day, you might just wait too long. Nate Hewitt and Ryan Chandler recorded this video when an EF4 rated tornado cut a path northeast through the city of Tuscaloosa, Alabama. The two chasers' enthusiasm soon turned to absolute terror as they realized the tornado was on a collision course for their car's location on the interstate, forcing them to reverse on the highway to avoid being hit. Only a few seconds after they back up, the trees to their left are swallowed by the funnel as the tornado crosses the portion of the interstate where they had been only seconds before.
Reminiscent of the outbreaks of the 70s and the super outbreak of 74. So if you're just joining us, it's now we're starting to see the flashes.
There it freaking is. Oh my God. Okay, speed up.
Infrastructure. But again, that is something that you pray that you never, ever, ever see
We need to go faster. It's coming right at us. No, keep straight, keep straight. Yes, keep straight. We can come up behind it later. That thing is...
Jesus Christ.
Go, Chandler.
Jesus.
Never in my life will I see this again.
Oh my God.
Hey, roll down to your back window. Yeah, pretty much. But keep going. I would definitely keep going. I would definitely keep going. Chandler, do not go back that way.
Nate, film it.
I am.
There's two of them.
We need to go that way.
No,
Chandler,
we're fine.
God damn it,
We're
go
fine.
back.
We're fine.
Chandler, go the fuck back. I'm not kidding. We don't know if this thing can change directions. We're not experts. It's crossing the interstate right where we were. Oh my God. You can see huge debris. Chandler, chill out for a second. Let's just sit right here. We're good right here.
Shelly's gotta get safe.
Although both chasers escaped the tornado, many others would not. The tornado had maximum wind speeds of 190 miles per hour, and 64 people would not escape them alive. There would also be over 1,500 injuries associated with the storm, and 1/10 of the city would be ruined in the disaster. This is one of the most infamous tornado videos on the internet, if not the most infamous of all time. On April 9th, 2015, an EF4 tornado tore a trail of destruction across DeKalb County, Illinois, wreaking the worst of its havoc on the small town of Fairdale, where it damaged 71 homes, including several that were completely swept off their foundations. An 85-year-old man named Clem Schultz, who goes by Clem Schultz, recorded the relentless whirlwind on a home video camera right up to the moment that it struck his home head-on. At the last second, he makes a sprint for shelter, but ends up trapped as the fireplace collapses on top of him and the camera. Seconds later, the tornado swept directly over his house, almost at the peak of its strength. The Schultz house suffered a complete collapse while Clem was still on the second floor. He suffered a broken back and severe lacerations to his hands, but ultimately, he was left alive to show the world what a tornado looks and sounds like from the inside. Unfortunately, Clem's wife and neighbor lost their lives as the twister passed through their neighborhood, the only 2 fatalities of the Fairdale tornado. When asked later what advice he would give to somebody filming in the path of a tornado, he simply responded with one word: don't.